on the horn. Then we're going to do awards right after the mains, guys, so you all hang around, get your cars ready if you want the pictures with them on. All right, minute 7 into it. Rich out front, followed by Dave, and then
1
Ryan.
minute and 10 seconds down, and 2 minutes and 49 seconds to go. Rich Mitchell, with car number 1, is running in first, on pace of 53 laps in 4 minutes and 3 seconds. Dave Williams, with car number 2, is running in second, on pace of 50 laps in 4 minutes and 2 seconds. Ryan Quill, with car number 3, is running in third, on pace of 46 laps in 4 minutes and 2 seconds.
What? How come you got 2 different earrings on? That look good.
All right, guys, we hit the halfway point, 2 and 2 left to go. Rich leading on a 53 lap pace, Dave 51, Ryan 48.
Attention, 2 minutes and 16 seconds down, and 1 minute and 43 seconds to go. Rich Mitchell, with car number 1, is running in first, on pace of 53 laps in 4 minutes. Dave Willie, with car number 2, is running in second, on pace of 51 laps in 4 minutes and 1 second. Ryan Krill, with car number 3, is running in third, on pace of 48 laps in 4 minutes.
All right, 55 seconds left to go. Rich still leading on that 53 lap pace. Dave at 51, Ryan up to 49. Hey, Juice Man, can you do pictures for me at the end? Thanks. All right, 5 seconds, guys.
Attention, the regular time for this race is over. Complete your last lap. Rich Mitchell, you are done. Ryan Krill, you are done. Dave Willie, you are done.
Hey, Rich at 53, Dave, you snuck in 52, and Ryan at 50. So y'all did good at the end there.
Rich Mitchell, with car number 1, finished in first with 53 laps in 4 minutes. Dave Willie, with car number 2, finished in second with 52 laps in 4 minutes 4.16 seconds. Ryan Krill, with car number 3, finished in third with 50 laps in 4 minutes 3.51 seconds.